Mango is sweet and juicy. Many people always feel flustered while enjoying it. Today, I will teach you 3 super simple methods for peeling mango skin. Ensure that your hands are clean and tidy. The flesh is still intact and not wasted. Hello everyone. Welcome to Jinmang Life Tips. Method 1. Eye-shaped cutting method. First, let's wash the mango thoroughly. Then wipe off the surface moisture with a tissue. Put the mango on the chopping board. Then cut a circle at the top and bottom of the mango. Then, from the middle of the 2 horizontal cutting lines of the mango, make another vertical cut. This is the first stroke of our eye-shaped character. Then rotate the mango 45 degrees. Make another vertical cut from top to bottom. Then rotate it 45 degrees and continue cutting until a 4-partite incision is formed on the surface of the mango. Next, at the waist of the mango, which is the middle position, cut horizontally in a circle. In this way, a grid of eye-shaped cutting lines is formed on the surface of the mango. Now we gently insert our fingers through the incision. Tear open the mango peel along the cutting line. Due to our cutting lines forming a regular grid, mango peels will be neatly peeled off in small pieces. It almost never comes into contact with the fruit pulp, so it won't get your hands dirty. Finally, when all the skin is peeled off, we got a complete, skinless mango pulp. You can hold the ends of the mango with both hands where we previously cut the circle. Enjoy the middle flesh directly. If your friend is not very proficient in cutting methods, then you must try the following method. Fast and safe, and very easy to get started with. Method 2. Fork peeling method. First, choose one end of the mango, then firmly insert the fork into the mango flesh. The function of a fork is like our third hand. Help us firmly fix the mango, then pick up the peeler or knife. Starting from near the fork, gently peel off the skin along the surface of the mango. Due to the fork providing a stable support point, we can easily control the force and angle of peeling. Ensure to only remove a thin layer of skin. It won't harm the fruit pulp. Slowly rotate the fork while peeling. It can be shaved more smoothly until the entire skin of the mango is cleanly removed. Can be consumed directly. You can also change the knife and cut it into your favorite shape before eating. If you go out without carrying a fork with you, you can also try the toothpick peeling method. Not only is it portable, but the effect is also quite good. Method 3. Toothpaste peeling method. First, we need to identify the sides of the mango. That is the thickest part of the flesh on both sides of the fruit core. Gently draw 2 parallel lines on the leather on both sides with a toothpick. The distance between the lines is approximately 2-3 centimeters. These 2 lines will become the starting point for our peeling. Then get a new toothpick. Starting from one end of the line you drew, carefully insert the toothpick into the gap between the mango peel and flesh. Be careful not to insert too deeply to avoid damaging the flesh. Once the toothpick is successfully inserted between the skin and meat, you can gently follow the outline of the mango. Move the toothpick from top to bottom. Create a separation surface between the skin and meat. Slowly, you will find that the mango peel begins to loosen and separate from the flesh. At this point, you can gently grasp the loose skin with your fingers, then slowly peel it off. Almost never takes away any fruit pulp or releases juice. Continue this process until the entire skin of the mango is completely removed. Throughout the entire process, hands hardly come into contact with the fruit pulp. Can be kept clean and juice-free all the time. The materials required for this video are shown in the picture. If needed, you can take screenshots and save them yourself. Alright, that's all for today's 3 tips on how to peel mangoes without getting your hands dirty. I hope these methods can be helpful for your life. If you also like the content of this video issue, don't forget to like and follow us. Thank you for watching. See you next time.